Welcome back to episode 5 of Backyard Bachelor. We're doing something a little different than usual. Instead of cocktails this week, we are making bread. And it's a special traditional sweet bread called Vasilopita. Now Vasilopita, so if you haven't noticed, we started melting butter and shortening gently in a stovetop pot until it was loose. Not melted, loose. And off camera, I was combining some yeast and warm water so the yeast can bloom. Now, once those two are completed, we're gonna pour both into our stand mixer. Now, this is gonna take the longest part, but once the butter mixture is in, we're gonna start slowly cracking some eggs as well as adding 3/4 cup of sugar. Also, we cannot forget to add the milk, and then the yeast and water to mix as well. Now, once all that has gotten to know each other, it's mixed pretty well, we're going to start adding a lot of flour. In fact, we're adding 6 to 6.5 cups of flour, and we're just going to keep the stand mixer going. Of course, you can do this with an electric mixer, you can do this by hand, but it took about 10 minutes, and I don't even think I overdid it. Now, we're going to keep the mixer going until the dough is no longer sticky. And even if it is, just take a little flour just in case. Start kneading it a bit more until it's more. Now we're going to wait for this to rise until it's doubled in size. In my case, it took over 3 hours for it to double in size. Once it's doubled, we are going to remove it and place it into 2 buttered loaf molds and shape. Once those are fitted properly, we are gonna cover both loaves with some tin foil loosely and place into a 350-degree oven. After about 20-30 minutes, we're gonna remove the tin foil and let it cook for an additional 30 minutes or until it's dark brown, as you can see here. Once we've removed them from the oven, we're gonna let both loaves cool completely before slicing and serving. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday season. I'll be back next week with my favorite cocktail for celebration, the French 75. If you haven't checked out my other couple of videos, go for it. Anyways, happy holidays. See you next Tuesday. Yamas.